Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are producing some of the finest pulled pork in the game. And when I say finest in the game, what I really mean is easiest in the game. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to saute an onion in the pot that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna use a pressure cooker, which looks like this. And don't worry if you saw me touch that part, I'm gonna wash that off before I use it. Saute an onion in the pressure cooker with a little bit of oil. Then I'm gonna drop in a pork shoulder that I've cut up into like steak-sized pieces, like half of a steak-sized pieces. That was some supreme grammar right there. And then all I'm gonna do for seasoning is pour a bunch of barbecue sauce in there. Probably a little bit of salt, but I'm gonna taste the barbecue sauce and see how salty that is. And that'll be it. So 3 ingredients: onions, pork, barbecue sauce. Salt doesn't count as an ingredient because it's everywhere. And then I'm going to pressure cook it for about, I don't know, an hour and a half or so. And that'll give me excellent pulled pork, which looks like this. Check it out. It's the best pulled pork you've ever seen. Maybe not, but it tastes fantastic, guaranteed.